Imagine a storm so fierce that it reshapes an entire region's infrastructure and transportation systems. Welcome to the Great Blizzard of 1888. Beginning on March 11th and lasting until March 14th, this catastrophic event struck the northeast United States, burying cities under snowdrifts up to 50 feet high. The storm paralyzed New York City, Boston, and other major urban areas, causing chaos and confusion. With winds reaching 50 miles per hour, many who ventured outside found themselves quickly disoriented and trapped. An estimated 400 people lost their lives, and thousands were stranded, leading to a humanitarian crisis. This blizzard illuminated the vulnerabilities in the existing transportation system, which was heavily reliant on horse-drawn vehicles. The aftermath prompted significant changes, including the introduction of underground rail systems and more robust public transit options. By forcing government and city planners to rethink their approaches to winter weather, the Great Blizzard of 1888 laid the groundwork for modern urban infrastructure, showcasing the profound impact of nature on human development and innovation.